Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is ABTA. 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 ABTA is an acronym used to refer to the Association of British Travel Agents. It is a trade association representing travel agents and tour operators in the United Kingdom. The abbreviation is commonly used in the travel industry to indicate that a travel agency or tour operator is a member of this association. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The ABTA logo assures travelers of a travel agency's professionalism and commitment to quality service. Why ABTA is used in example number 1. ABTA is mentioned to explain that the presence of the ABTA logo serves as an assurance to travelers that the travel agency is professional and dedicated to providing high-quality service. Example number 2. Always look for the ABTA symbol when booking your travel for added peace of mind. Why ABTA is used in example number 2. ABTA symbol is recommended to be sought after when booking travel services because it provides travelers with an additional sense of security and assurance. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.